What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. It has been a little bit of a time, but we have finally got all the animals moved into the reptile room today. And so I wanted to go ahead and make this video real quick, giving you guys a glimpse of what it all looks like now. It definitely has some decorating to do in here, and it's not exactly where I want it to be, but everything is in, and I am happy with where it is right now and definitely willing to share and very excited to share it with you all. So let's go ahead and check out the new TWR Reptile Room, an official home to all of my animals and myself. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's start this video off with our centerpiece, which is this lovely cat tree that is hanging out here. This is going to be pretty much the base of everything climbing-wise when it comes to my animals. As you can see, here's an example of that. I'm just going to use this as a base for like putting up things like sticks and whatnot. Like I have that up there specifically for Vastra, who likes to hang up about there. But yeah, when she's out of the way, you know, other snakes can climb out around up here. But I also have other branches and stuff that I will lay across from here, over here to down here. That goes all the way across the enclosures that are on this side of the wall. So this is the lovely centerpiece for that, and pretty much the foundation of the jungle gym that I just kind of throw up and have ready for when I actually let my snakes out to roam for the morning. And you guys remember that Vastra's enclosure is back over there. It used to be right here in the middle of this whole space, taking up all of this excess space. Now that the other enclosures are here, I have moved her to over there. So she's kind of out of the way, but tucked up against the garage door over there, and it's working out great. Now, I'm not going to show you all of these guys because these are all ones that have already been over here. Luna, Zuko, Iroh, all those animals. It's this wall that was completely bare the last time that we were here. And now, as you can see, all the other animals are here. We've got Maleficent in this one. Beetlejuice has been moved up here. These guys were already here. This is Zeus and Iroh. Also, we have Tigger, who is officially here now in his enclosure here. And then we have the quad that is down here that has Antiope, Cruella, and oh my gosh, I'm blanking right now. Rumpelstiltskin as well as Shere Khan in it. But over the next couple of months or whatever, I'm still planning on taking the divider out of there and moving Rumpelstiltskin and Cruella over into that thing as soon as we get it all set up and ready to go. And then Shere Khan and Antiope will each have a whole half of this to work with. So that's great. Anyway, I'm very glad that all these guys are home. I'm glad that everybody is in their place. It's definitely not 100% how I want it. I'm still deciding what I want to do with Luna up there, if I actually want to leave her up there or bring her down and put her on top of here like she was before. But I'm kind of liking the not quite having as much stacked up there. This is just a little inconvenient because Evie's home is right here, but this may or may not stay over here. I actually may end up moving Evie over to that corner over there when I get rid of that cat tree and stuff over there. So I may end up making that whole space and corner over there Evie's little thing. But for now, this works. This is something that I can slide off and move to the side so that I can get all up in there and work with my snakes. Can we get a zoom in? A zoom in. Hello. Hello. No, she's not interested. She's just waking up. So, yeah. Now, this down here has been my biggest problem. There was a lot of moving when we were, a lot of accidents that happened while we were moving. There were multiple glass pieces broken, including one on this one, which is Artemis's enclosure. And we did get more glass for it. However, one of the pieces is, well, both, but one, more specifically one, is very just too small and I guess there must be a bow or something in this, but it gets stuck at this last inch, 2 inches of space here. So we haven't figured out what we're gonna do, but buying a whole other piece of glass is just not something that can happen right now. I'm hoping to try to get some sandpaper or something, and maybe I can just sand down the wooded area and see if we can just make it a little wider for the glass piece to go in. But for the time being, what I have done is put this piece of glass on the inside here that pretty much makes up that extra lack of space, and it just barely overlaps that so that a snake cannot actually just get out of it. And I still need to get another piece that actually keeps the glass from being pushed out, which is what these bad boys are for. These are here to make sure that the glass cannot be pushed out. However, there's still not an animal in there yet because I just figured out that wood thing. Because this is a big animal and I want to make sure that it's actually something that's going to be secure for Artemis. So right now, Artemis is the only one who is not 100% in her enclosure yet. She's just been staying in a tub, and that's not been fun for her, but as life has it, we must adjust. So she's dealing with that until I deal with this. Now over here, you guys know that I've seen my green foresty background thing. This is one of those not harmonica, those just those screens that can be kind of stretched out to make one whole room, like room dividers, and I have my my background actually on that, so when it comes time to recording a video with a background, I can just kind of set that up, stretch that across, maybe right here or something real quick, put up my tripod, and call it a day. So that is that, everyone. And then there's my doggo Kovu down there, sleeping away in his corner. And last but not least, my little workstation over here, which is not going to stay a workstation. It literally is just a workstation because I haven't turned that piece of furniture into an enclosure yet. So until that does become an enclosure, this is where I keep my laptop. This is where I watch all of your YouTube videos that I am following out there. And I do try to watch every single one of them, I assure you. I try to comment on all of them too, but if I can't get a comment, I at least drop you a like. So yeah, so there's that. So yeah, that's just about it, everybody. All the enclosures are in. Everything is just about where I want it to be. There's a little bit of tweaking that I need to be doing around here, but for the most part, it's all done. I want to get some more art up on the walls. I want to get some more color in here. I want to make it my own a bit more, but all the animals are in, and I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy that all the animals got here safely. I'm really loving the space. I love how much space I actually have to move around and do my thing. I hope that light's not behind me doing things. I hope me moving is not affecting how clear this image is showing up. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this journey. Thank you all so much for keeping me going and being patient with me through the kind of on-off, not very regular scheduling of my videos. Like I said, there's just been a lot going on life-wise. You'll probably hear a little bit more about that in a future vlog. But yeah. Whew, you all take care. I don't know what more to say. At this point, it's early in the morning. I just wanted to come out here and bust out this video. It's been a couple of days really since all the animals moved in, and I've just been kind of tweaking it ever since. But it is as good as I feel like it can be right at this moment, and I definitely want to just get it out there and share where I'm at with it. And maybe later on in a couple of months' time, I'll do just another room update. Because people like room updates, so I'll do another room update and show you guys what extra things I've done, and then kind of give you guys little glimpses and put up some little clips of snakes utilizing the climbing space and whatnot, so you guys get to see exactly what I'm going to do with this here cat tree. So yeah. Now that that's done, I guess I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my morning and just kind of chill out, and let some snakes out to roam and adventure and get ready for my day. So you all take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.